Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. What is the process of the smooth dissolution of the nucleus? Your right answer is radioactive. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the sacred language of Henian Buddhism? Your right answer is Pali. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following field produces natural commodities? Your right answer is primary sector. Option A is your correct answer. White paper on constitutional reform was prepared by dash. Your right answer is Simon Commission. Option B is your correct answer. Who is the full genetic formation of a person? Your right answer is gene or genotype. Option C is your correct answer. Who among the following freedom fighter was involved in the assassinations of British officer John Saunders in 1928? Your right answer is Bhagat Singh. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following sports, summer sports in the Olympics? Your right answer is subdivision. Option D is your correct answer. In which of the following sports India won gold medal in the Olympics from 1928 to 1956? Your right answer is hockey. Option D is your correct answer. Which river is called the singular Khamban? Your right answer is Indus. Option D is your correct answer. The Constitution of India refer to the budget as dash. Your right answer is annual financial statement. Option B is your correct answer. What is the schedule of the Indian Constitution related to anti-defection law? Your right answer is 10th schedule. Option B is your correct answer. Chief Election Commissioner is appointed. Your right answer is by President. Option B is your correct answer. In which of the following movement did Gandhiji call for do or die? Your right answer is Quit India movement. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following area landslide is a high vulnerability area? Your right answer is eucalyptus. Option B is your correct answer. Coral reef are not found in which of the following marine region? Your right answer is Sundarban. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is popular folk dance of Gujarat? Your right answer is Garba. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following ingredient is of sour taste and turn blue litmus into red? Your right answer is acid. Option C is your correct answer. When the material is cooled down under its critical temperature, which of the superconductor attain accidentally zero? Your right answer is resistance. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following sports originated from ancient Japanese art? Jujutsu. Your right answer is judo. Option C is your correct answer. Dash is a discrete packet of energy related to electromagnetic radiation. Light in which energy is E, which is proportional to frequency of radiation B. Your right answer is photon. Option D is your correct answer. Which Governor General prepared the principle of lapsed or grey policy in the British India? Your right answer is Lord Dalhousie. Option A is your correct answer. The right to form cooperative society, a fundamental right, has been provided in dash. Your right answer is 97th Amendment Act 2011. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the most electronegative element? Your right answer is fluorine. Option B is your correct answer. Article of the Indian Constitution related to the Controller and Auditor General of India is? Your right answer is Article 148, 148. Option C is your correct answer. Indian type of socialism is? Your right answer is democratic socialism. Option C is your correct answer. Oak and chestnut tree are dash. Your right answer is evergreen wide leafy tree. Option C is your correct answer. How many styles of wrestling are there in the Olympics? Your right answer is 2. Option B is your correct answer. Who was the founder of the Ahmadiyya movement? Your right answer is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Option C is your correct answer. Why did the Portuguese first arrive in India? Your right answer is Calicut. Option A is your correct answer. Which instrument convert the alternating current into the direct current? Your right answer is rectifier. Option B is your correct answer. The word fraternity meant in the Indian Constitution means your right answer is the spirit of brotherhood. Option A is your correct answer. In which year did Viceroy Curzon announce the partition of Bengal? Your right answer is 1905. Option C is your correct answer. In summer, the seasonal movement of animals between high pastures and low valley. In winter is your right answer is transhumans. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following comet comes to Earth once every 76 years? Your right answer is Halley comet. Option A is your correct answer. National Sample Survey Office NSSO is an office under dash. Your right answer is Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following lake is also known as the only floating lake? Your right answer is Lake of Lake. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following measures the proportion of the literate population in the age group of 7 years and above? Your right answer is literacy rate. Option A is your correct answer. The mysterious Bermuda Triangle is located in which of the following ocean? Your right answer is the Atlantic Ocean. Option B is your correct answer. The new public distribution system RPDS was started in the year dash. Your right answer is 1992. Option B is your correct answer. Is the full extension of the ICC? Your right answer is International Cricket Council. Option C is your correct answer. The per capita income of the nation means revenue per person per year. Option A is your correct answer. In the revolt of 1859, in which of the farmer of Bengal refused to provide produce nil? It is known as, your right answer is Nil Rebellion. Option A is your correct answer. New words of socialist, secular and integrity have been added in the preamble of the Constitution. Dash. Your right answer is 42nd Constitution Amendment 1976. Option B is your correct answer. What are the undesirable plant growing in the field? Your right answer is weed. Option A is your correct answer. The famous painting Dying Princess in which of the following caves? Your right answer is Ajanta Caves. Option C is your correct answer. The characteristics of the fundamental right are taken in dash. Your right answer is Constitution of the United States. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following Great Lakes is completely located in the United States? Your right answer is Lake Michigan. Option C is your correct answer. Each polynucleotide of DNA is made up of small unit called dash. Your right answer is nucleotide. Option A is your correct answer. The word service is related to which of the following games? Your right answer is badminton. Option C is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 50. Which of the following is the world largest tobacco producing country currently? Your right answer is China. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like the sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.